Why the Zeekr 9X is the craziest hybrid SUV in the world. What if I told you that the future of luxury SUVs is already here, and it's not just electric, it's a hybrid that drives like a supercar? Can a full-size SUV be powerful, luxurious, and efficient all at once? And what if it also had a 3-second 0 to 100 km/h time, a mind-blowing electric range, and level 3 autonomy? Sounds like a dream, right? But this dream is now a reality with the Zeekr 9X. Now, why are tens of thousands of people ordering it in just 1 hour? What makes the 9X stand out from the crowd of flashy, high-tech vehicles? Is it the insane performance, the futuristic design, or could it be that it's offering a taste of the future for a surprisingly reasonable price? Stick around because I'm about to show you how Zeekr took everything you thought you knew about luxury hybrids and completely defined the game. This is more than just a car, folks. This is the Zeekr 9X. The Zeekr 9X first impression and why it's already a legend. Whoa, just look at this beast. It's massive, bold, and impossible to miss. Some people say it looks like a Rolls-Royce Cullinan mixed with a Range Rover that's been hitting the gym. The girl is huge, the stance is aggressive, and it definitely screams, "Look at me." Whether you love it or not, you can't deny that it stands out. But here's the twist. Underneath all that bold personality is some seriously cutting-edge technology. We are not just talking about flashy graphics or shiny screens here. This thing is packed with top-tier hardware, insane range, and performance that could rival supercars. And the price? Trust me, it's going to shock you for what you get. So what's really powering this beast? The Zeekr 9X is a plug-in hybrid full-size SUV that packs a punch with a 2.0 liters turbocharged petrol engine paired with multiple electric motors. This combo delivers up to 1030 kW of power, which is about 1380 plus horsepower in the top models. Yeah, you heard that right. This much power lets a huge SUV like this go from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.1 seconds. And for a hybrid SUV that weighs around 2.8 to 3.1 tons, that's insanely fast. Even the base versions, which come with dual motors, give you about 660 kW, 885 HP, and it still goes 0 to 100 in under 4 seconds. That's supercar acceleration in a full-size SUV that's as big as Land Cruiser. Now, here's where it gets really crazy. This isn't your average plug-in hybrid where you only get 20 to 30 kilometers of electric range. Nope. Zeekr has taken it to the next level with 55 kWh and even 70 kWh battery packs. That's the biggest battery capacity you'll find in any hybrid SUV, and it gives you 300 to 380 kilometers of pure electric driving on a single charge, which is huge for a plug-in hybrid. Imagine that, almost 400 kilometers without even touching the petrol engine. And when you combine electric power with the petrol engine, you're looking at over 1,200 kilometers of total range. That's like a road trip ready SUV with zero range anxiety. You are all set for long drives without worrying about stopping for fuel every few hours. Oh, and charging, it's next level too. The Zeekr 9X uses 900-volt architecture and 6C fast charging tech. In real terms, this means you can go from 20% to 80% charge in about 9 minutes. Yep, 9 minutes. That's quicker than grabbing a coffee. And in the world of hybrids, that's almost unheard of. Inside, this isn't just a cabin, it's a flagship, premium experience. Forget the small screens and buttons you're used to in most cars. This is luxury meets futuristic tech. Massive 16 OLED screens for both the driver and passenger, a huge 47 AR heads-up display. It's like something out of a video game showing you navigation, speed, and all kinds of info in style. An optional 17-ceiling mounted screen for rear passengers, because why not turn your backseat into a movie theater? A 6-seat cloud lounge layout complete with captain's chair that rotate 180 degrees for those chill vibes. A spa-level massage, ventilated seats, and even zero-gravity seating modes. It's basically first-class flying but in an SUV. And the tech, it doesn't stop there. The G-Pilot system runs on NVIDIA Drive Thor U computing power, bringing you advanced driver assistance and level 3 autonomy, depending on the region and regulation. That means the 9X is almost ready for full hands-off driving, but we'll dive deeper into that later. You might think that something this big and heavy would feel floaty or slow in corners, right? Well, think again. The Zeekr 9X comes equipped with air suspension and continuous damping control, allowing for a total suspension travel of 110 millimeters. That means it can adjust from a low setting about 178mm all the way up to a peak ground clearance of 288mm. And with features like active anti-roll bars, this thing isn't just big and powerful, it's smart. Whether you're cruising down a country road or taking it off-road, the suspension and chassis adapt to what you're doing. Better comfort at low speeds, and when you push it on twisty roads, it stays flat and composed even at higher speeds. But that's not all. To make sure this SUV doesn't feel cumbersome in tight spaces, the rear steering can turn up to 12 degrees, reducing the turning radius to just 11.9 meters. That's incredibly tight for a vehicle over 5.2 meters long, making parking or maneuvering a breeze. And it's not just about comfort or handling. Zeekr has thought about safety too. Active suspension plays a role here as well. In the event of a detected imminent side impact, the 48V active stabilizer bar can raise the vehicle by 80mm in just 0.2 seconds, helping to redirect the crash force to the strongest part of the chassis, the cells, and instead of the doors. Talk about next level safety. It's not just about having raw power, it's about control, comfort, and safety. Zeekr really nailed it with this SUV, giving you a perfect balance of everything you need. Zeekr isn't just about throwing power and luxury at you, you're also pushing the boundaries of intelligent driving. The 9X comes in versions equipped with a single NVIDIA Toru chip and the G-Pilot H7 AI driving suite. But for the higher-end models, you get dual Toru chips and G-Pilot H9, which are capable of level 3 autonomous driving readiness. This means hands-off driving on highway under certain conditions depending on where you live. And when it comes to the sensor suite, it's packing up to 5 LiDAR units, multiple radars, and cameras, essentially a complete arsenal needed for advanced driver assistance. This isn't just your typical cruise control. This is a glimpse into the true automated driving. Here is what's really got everyone talking. At launch in China, the Zeekr 9X started at around 465,900 RMB, about $65,000 for the base model, and goes up to 599,900 RMB, around $85,000 for the top trims. That's crazy, right? Because for that price, you're getting a luxury flagship SUV that has supercar performance, 300 plus kilometers of electric range, advanced AI systems, and a premium interior that feels like something from the future. And here's the kicker. Comparable luxury SUVs from Europe or Japan can easily hit $100,000 plus, but they don't come close to this level of tech. Oh, and did I mention that Zeekr got tens of thousands of orders in the first hour? Yeah, that's how much people are excited about it. Clearly, there's a huge demand, and when you see what it offers, it's not hard to understand why. Let's talk about the looks. You're either going to love or really not love the 9X bold aggressive front end with that huge grille. Some bloggers say it looks like it's wearing a gold chain, flashy and in your face. Others call it brutalist, but in a cool don't mess with me kind of way. Whatever you think, it's definitely impossible to ignore. Imagine cruising on a long road trip in this beast. You've got up to 380 kilometers of pure electric range before the petrol engine even kicks in. And when you stop for a quick charge, it's super fast, so you're back on the road in no time. Plus, 6 adults can ride in comfort with that premium cabin, while the cinematic HUD navigation guides you like you're in a movie. Oh, and the power? Enough to blow the doors off a lot of a sports car. This isn't just a fantasy, it's what the Zeekr 9X gives you right now. Now, picture this. You pull up next to a Range Rover, a Land Cruiser, or even an Audi Q8. You're not just turning heads because of its bold design. It's performed like something way more expensive. People will definitely take notice. The Zeekr 9X isn't just another SUV, it's a statement. It combines the best of everything. Electric efficiency, hybrid practicality, supercar level performance, and cutting-edge tech, all without hitting the 6-figure price tag many thought it would. And that's what's really getting people talking. Honestly, this might just be the most exciting SUV launch of 2025. If you want power, range, luxury, and mind-blowing tech, all rolled into one affordable package, and you're tired of paying more for less, then the Zeekr 9X might just be your next obsession.